In Casca, in Brazil, Van Aarsen International built a new factory for Mig Plus for the production of animal feed. Using their own premixes, the feed can be produced according to the specific needs of each customer. The factory is constructed for a production of 75 tons per hour. An extension with 2 extra pelleting lines has already been taken into account in the construction of the building and process layout. For the intake of raw materials, a complete truck is lifted onto a tip bridge. The air is sucked away and filtered at both sides of the intake pit. The raw materials are cleaned with the help of a drum cleaner and a magnet cleaner. Minerals come in big bags and Mig Plus's own premixes in small bags. Vertical transport of raw materials and semi-finished products to the top floor takes place with bucket elevators. A sensor on the elevators registers the movement of the bucket and warns should any bucket have a problem. Next, the products are transported horizontally with chain conveyors. Through slides, the product is led to the correct silo. These walls are the walls of the storage silos, as we can see in the construction photos. All silos are equipped with an inspection hatch, mandatory in Brazil. Because of security, the large hatch may only be opened by 2 people. Mig Plus has therefore decided to additionally mount a smaller inspection hatch. From the dosing silos, each product is weighed accurately. In smaller weighing scales with a capacity of 500 kilograms, minerals are weighed. The weighing scales are equipped with platform steps for precise calibration. Micro-ingredients, such as premixes, are emptied manually into the micro-ingredient dosing silos. The silos are locked by a magnet lock. The correct silo is unlocked by scanning the barcode on the premix bag to prevent human error. In the MID, micro-ingredients are dosed in quantities up to 50 kilograms. Next, the raw materials are ground in the hammer mill. The Van Aarsen hammer mills are known for the quick and easy changing of the sieves. From the hammer mill, the meal is transported to the mixer. Micro-ingredients do not require milling and are also added to the mixer. In the 12,000-litre double-shaft paddle mixer, all ingredients of the recipe are blended into a homogeneous mixture. Also, liquids are added in the mixer. In this configuration, 4 liquids can be administered. From the bin, below the mixer, the meal can be stored as finished product or can be transported to the conditioner. The first step in the process of conditioning is heat treatment of the meal by addition of steam in a steam mixer. Steam treatment is necessary to optimize the pelleting process in terms of power consumption and pellet quality. In the LTV, the long-term vessel, the meal is hygienized. Pathological germs such as salmonella bacteria are destroyed. Next, the meal is compressed to pellets in the pellet mill. The Van Aarsen pellet mills are extremely reliable even when they are operating 24 hours a day. After pelleting, the product is cooled. Cooling air is sucked in from the outside and blown away via the roof. The cyclone and piping of the cooling air are insulated to prevent condensation. If required, the pellets can be crumbled. The pellets or crumbs are sieved to free them of dust. The sieved fine particles are returned to the pelleting line, but can also be discharged if required. The end product can be supplied in different ways. Most of the production goes to the clients in bulk by trucks. But also, big bags and small bags are possible. In producing these top products, Mig Plus pays a lot of attention to hygiene. The dust in all the transport systems is sucked away, and the factory is continuously being cleaned by a dedicated cleaning crew. On all floors, the sides are covered with inclined plinths. This prevents contamination of the underlying floor and ensures that the cleaning is simplified. If there is no product left in the installation, the temperature in the pellet mill and conditioner is maintained with hot air in order to prevent condensation and contamination through cooling. All connections, silos and bins are constructed in stainless steel and coated to blend in with the rest of the feed mill. In total, 500 tons of stainless steel is used in this factory. Compressed air is used for cleaning the filters and operating the slides and valves. On each floor, an additional compressed air connection has been installed for cleaning or operating additional equipment. The new Mig Plus factory in Brazil is another proof of an investment that provides maximum added value. The production process is extremely reliable. Low operational and maintenance costs and the highest levels of hygiene have all been achieved. All this within a pleasant working environment. So, no matter if your farmers buy smaller quantities or many tons per week, Van Aarsen is your vital link to guarantee the efficient production of top quality feeds.